My dear students, today I am going to explain you one two numericals in physics. The first question is a block of weight 10 Newton lies on a rough table. It just moves when a force of 7 Newton is applied on it. Calculate the coefficient of limiting friction between the block and the table. So the answer is in the limiting condition, force of friction F is equals to applied force F, that is capital F, equals to 7 Newton. Normal reaction R is equals to weight W, that is equals to 10 Newton. And now the formula of coefficient of limiting friction is, so coefficient of limiting friction equals to force of limiting friction by normal reaction. That means mu is equals to F by R, and this implies F equals to mu R. And we have to calculate mu, that is coefficient of limiting friction. Therefore coefficient of limiting friction is equals to F by R, and that is equals to 7 by 10 equals to 0.7. Here it is a pure ratio, so it has no unit because here force and normal reaction both are in Newton, so both has been cancelled, and so it is unitless. So it is called a pure ratio. Second question is, find the pressure that a man of 80 kilogram force weight will exert on the ground first when he is standing on both feet, and second when he is lying. Area of foot is, here foot is singular, you have to keep in mind. Area of foot is 80 centimeter square, and area of body is in contact with the ground is 0.6 square meter or 0.6 meter square. And g, that is acceleration due to gravity, equals to 10 meter per second square, we have to take. So the solution is, first thrust is equals to force, that is equals to 80 kgf, that is 80 kilogram force, and we will convert it into SI unit, and it becomes 80 into acceleration due to gravity, and then it is 80 into 10, that is equals to 800 Newton. So total area is equals to area of both feet, because here we have been given only 1 foot area. So area of both feet is equals to 2 into 80 cm square, and that is equals to 160 cm square. We have to convert into SI system, that means we have to convert into meter square. So we will divide it by 100 into 100. So 160 by 100 into 100, it became meter square. Now 1010 cancel numerator and denominators. So 16 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. And you have to keep in mind that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, and 1 meter square equals to 10 to the power 4 cm square. So pressure equals to thrust by area, that means P is equals to I by A, and so P is equals to 800 by 16 into 10 to the power minus 3. So it is being cancelled, 16 5 is 80, so 5 into 10 into 10 to the power 3, this comes in the numerator, so it becomes 10 to the power plus 3. So now here again power is added, so 5 into 10 to the power 4 Newton per meter square, and Newton per meter square is equals to Pascal. So here 5 into 10 to the power 4 Pascal, or 5 into 10 to the power 4 Pa. means Pascal. Now, second condition is that when he is lying, in that case, thrust is equals to 800 Newton. It is already calculated up, and area equals to 0.6 meter square. It is given to us, and therefore pressure equals to thrust by area, that is equals to 800 by 0.6 Newton per meter square. So after removing the decimal, we get 800 into 10 by 6. It is being cancelled. 2 3 are 6, 2 4 are 8. So 4 into 10 to the power 3 by 3 Pascal. And then 4 divided by 3, we get 1.33 into 10 to the power 3 Pascal. This is the pressure when the man is lying. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.